El Cajon, Mission Valley, Imperial Beach, or Oceanside.
Well, with the old shotgun at 816 right here at B100. B100 FM with Shotgun Tom, 19 minutes after 8 o'clock as we wake you up. It's going to be a nice day today, man. Kind of variable high cloudiness up there. There'll be a few clouds here and there. That's okay. High expected temperature along the beach, 73. 82 will be the temperature inland. Right now looks like about 67 degrees with 19 Celsius at B100.
She stood there bright as the sun on that California coast.
B100 FM and the Hollywood Nights, Hollywood Hills, and all that stuff. Shotgun Tom Kelly at about 8:24 right now in the morning.
Kribari Wines, made by B. Kribari & Sons, San Francisco, California.
Yeah, I like to talk about it, Diana, but
Yes.
I'd rather drink it.
Oh, you would?
Yes.
Yes, look at you over there leaning against the wall.
That's right. I'm the Leaning Tower of something. I don't
Something.
know.
We won't discuss that right
All
now.
right. We got about 8:26 now, and here she is.
Yes.
Miss Diana. No. What happened to Miss Nude America?
I
You have any
don't
reports on
know.
that?
No, we'll check into that for you. We'll
Oh,
uncover
right.
that story.
Okay, yes, I bet you will.
Fred will do that.
Fred will.
Uncle Fred
You
will
don't
uncover
handle
the
those
story.
seedy things.
No, no.
Okay.
Well, in 100 seconds, wishing you were here. The county veterinarian's office says the chemical blamed in the deaths of 24 horses at Bradley's Bonita Valley Farm is rumensin. Well, the Michigan city of Pontiac isn't a college town, but it does have a local night spot called the Campus Theater. And every Tuesday night at the campus is amateur night. The twist, so to speak, is this. The Campus Theater is a striptease house. But the manager says it's nothing to get too excited about. He says that for many of the women, amateur night is just like going bowling.
Well, isn't that nice?
Yes, well, right now it's overcast and 66 degrees at B100.
B100 FM. We're going to send two people to see Saturday Night Live in New York City.
New shimmer is a floor wax.
No, new shimmer is a dessert topping.
If you win the trip, we'll fly you and a friend there on American Airlines, the only nonstop to New York. You'll stay at the Plaza Hotel, and we'll include some spending money, too.
Hey, calm down, you two. New shimmer's a floor wax and a dessert topping.
After a drawing, we'll announce the winner this coming Monday afternoon.
I want to talk to you tonight about a time-honored tradition. Sexual performance in the White House.
This week, anytime you call in and win an album, we'll automatically include your name in the drawing for the trip for two to New York to be a part of Saturday Night Live. It's just another way we'd like to thank you for listening to B100 FM.
Feeling down and dirty, feeling kind of mean.
B100 FM with Shotgun Tom right here, and I'm not messing around here. I'm not kidding. It's 8:38 in the morning as we get up. B100 FM with Shotgun. You guessed it. It is my favorite time of the morning. It is 8:40, and I love it like that. So let's everybody get up and just get cooking.
That farm fresh chicken.
Oh, by the way, 8 locations countywide, including one at 1300 Orange Avenue, Coronado.
On first down, Stern back to pass.
Get off the bench. Get a contractor's license today at Contractors License School. Be a pro.
Well, here we are at 844 with Nick Gilder on the Shotgun Tom Show at B100.
In the shape of something wild.
B100 with Shotgun. It's 8:48 right now in Munin, waking you up and making you feel good, and of course qualifying you for that Saturday night live trip. Every time we give away something, that means you're qualified for the trip to New York City to go see Saturday Night Live. And I'm not kidding.
Looking at the road, rushing under the wheel.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I richly don't deserve it. B100 FM with Shotgun Tom. I got about 8:52 right now.
Thanks a million, UCB. United California Bank is the first major California bank to offer a $200 check guarantee card.
We'll show you why Western is the only way to fly.
Well, I heard that. Listen, here is the All-American Diana with all the news you need to live, right, baby?
That's right.
It is 8:55 right now.
That's what it is. And in 100 seconds, right down the line.
Here we go.
Formal complaints are to be filed today in Los Angeles against 2 Synanon members who've been booked for investigation of trying to murder attorney Paul Morantz. Well, heartened by her apparent success at the game, Lillian Carter, 80-year-old mother of President Jimmy Carter, said yesterday that blackjack has become her favorite game of chance. Miss Lillian told reporters last night as she began a visit to the desert gambling resort of Las Vegas, "I got a taste of blackjack and it has infiltrated my whole being."
No.
She added, "I'd go broke in 2 days if I lived here." Television entertainer Merv Griffin, who escorted the president's mother, said she had ignored his advice to refuse another hit during a round of blackjack.
A hit?
Yes.
Oh, I thought somebody offered her a hit.
No.
Oh.
Well, she went on to score with a hand of...
Now see, there you go again. Now she's dealing, I suppose.
Yeah. Well, no, she wasn't dealing yet.
Oh.
But she did get 21.
She did.
Yes, but despite her enjoyment of the game, Miss Lillian says she has no desire to see gambling legalized in her home state of Georgia. As she put it, "We've got enough crime down there."
I knew she was older than 21.
Yes, and crime doesn't pay.
That's right.
She's 80, in fact.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. Give her another hit.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Mrs. Gabby Hayes.
That's what keeps her going. Well, right now it's overcast and 66 degrees at B100.
You said it. KFM, BFM San Diego, with all your favorite songs from your favorite albums. It's a little bit after 9 o'clock. Not much after 9, trust me. Shotgun Tom Kelly right here at B100.